Hi, I'm Monika Czerveniak here with Fearless Cooking. Today we're going to make a very special salad for a beautiful summer day, and it's called panzanella salad. It comes all the way from Tuscany, and it doesn't matter where you eat it, it's always different. So you can actually add again whatever you like to have. The main ingredient, of course, is tomatoes. It's beautiful tomato season right now. And cucumbers, not necessarily. A lot of people just do it without cucumbers, onions, shallots. But the most important part on this are the croutons. And I used some ciabatta bread, and it is stale. I made sure it will be stale. You need to have the stale bread for this dish. So keep it in the fridge for a few days and it definitely will go stale. Then you just cut it up and douse it with olive oil, and then we saute it till it's really crispy and crunchy, because that's the important part. Otherwise it will suck up the dressing too much. Tomatoes, I don't like the core in there, so just take your knife, hold it on the tip, and just go round and round. Anyway, we're just going to cut this up. I'll just cut it in half, depending on what size you like. I like this size. And in it goes. So the croutons are getting a little bit crunchy, just the way I want it, but it's not yet enough. This is the best way to do those croutons, by the way. The oven not going to get as nice and crunchy. Anyway, the salad, we cut up our tomatoes. Now it's important in order that we put some salt. This is salt, and I'm also going to put some sugar on it. And the reason, this is monk fruit, by the way, monk fruit sugar. The reason why I'm doing this is we're going to get the juices out of those tomatoes, and that will make us really adds to the dressing. So I like cucumbers in my panzanella salad, so I'm just going to cut these up. If you would use large English cucumber, you would take the meat out, but this is not as mushy as large cucumber, so I like leaving it in. And I'm just going to cut this up like that and add it. So they've been sitting here about 5-10 minutes. And you see how much juice comes out. And this is the good stuff. So do not throw this out. This is what we want. And I'm going to make sure to nicely mix in. The next thing that we are doing is we're going to add some shallots. Now this again is optional, but I happen to have some in the fridge, so why not use it up. It's my panzanella, as well as garlic. Important part. Now people put olives in it, all kinds of cheese in it, to your liking. But what's important here now, they're putting cheese onto those croutons now. And mix it up a little bit, because now they're nicely infused with the oil. They're crunchy. Oops, one is good. Just mix that up. So to melt the cheese away. So I'm going to add, usually this red wine vinegar you can use, but I happen to love balsamic vinegar, and that goes really so well together. And I'm just gonna add a little bit, dress it up a bit, and then use some very good extra virgin olive oil, nothing but the best for you. And mix this up. And we're gonna add our croutons. And that's it. All we need for this is just some beautiful bay leaves. Basil. Fresh from the garden, chopped. And you can add any other kind of herbs that you like. I think basil goes best. There it is. A beautiful salad, summer salad, with a little touch of Italy, straight from your kitchen. Panzanella.